Fellow shifters, welcome back to another episode of Shift Happens with Let's. Last episode, I introduced you to a new baby in the family, the Ford Focus ST. This 6-speed manual sweetheart is running 270 kilowatts of torque, 250 newton meters of horsepower with Ford's unique 2-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine. Yes, shifters, you're looking at our first project car. Join me in this journey as I flip this bruised Snow White into a beautiful Mona Lisa. This is Shift Happens, where we make shit happen. Let me show you how dirty and disgusting this car looks inside. It's bad, guys. See, all of this stuff. So we got all of these things. This is that mirror that I was talking about. That's gonna go over there on that door. This is the mirror. So a lot of the things I got here, they were just stripped off because when it was parked, they didn't want people like coming in and stealing the stuff. You know what I mean? This is the right side light. I need the left side light. Apparently somebody can apparently there's that spray. There's the spray thing that you can use to wash this white stuff, because I know it looks nasty. These are the seats. These are the seats. I've just put them down because we need to put everything in the back. I also need a spare tire because that's gonna be very important. This is the engine cover. This is the engine cover for the car. So slowly but surely, I'm gonna work on this car, and it's definitely gonna be a project car to die for. I was bored from doing literally nothing all day, so I thought it's a great idea to empty the car just to see what I need and don't need. And man, oh man. So this is everything that was in the boots of the car, including this light. There's only one light, funny enough, and I need two. So this is how the car looks out inside. As you can see, the seats are finally up, nice and clean. Could be cleaner. This is how the boot looks. No wheel, no spare tire, no nothing. But there's all of these random things that are in here. So I'm thinking that let me just clean the car. So long. Yo, guys. Oh, I look ridiculously wet. That's what she said. But yeah, no, I look wet. It's because of the sun. It's hot. And this activity that I'm doing is ridiculous. And then I will, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the tire. And then I will, yeah, clean it up nicely. Give it a young wash or something like that. Yeah. Now, shifters, this episode was more like that father and baby skin to skin bond. I do still intend to take the car for proper detailing though, but I mean, why not? Just look at her. Do subscribe, like, share, comment. See you on the next one.